fits and tons of problems para dito sa Lady Bulldogs.
16-10. Kai Nepomuceno making a late entry in that second set. Still hasn't been much of a factor in this third set.
Surveying the court is Rosemary Vargas. Finally serves. Here comes Kai Nepomuceno. Excellent dig by Vargas. That's Apinan with a hit, number 7 for FEU. Nepomuceno. That's rejected by Eulalia. Salibad underhand set. Pablo cross court hit. That's Basas. Looking for FEU, and Aganon rejected 17-10 as FEU is in full control of set number 3.
A very well read play by Eulalia. Middle attack, very predictable. Eulalia was all over that ball. And no way for Aganon to really get that ball across.
3 points for
Vargas really has had her problems
11.
at the service box. Coach Nesma Milar much more satisfied with the performance of FEU. He's at least, you can see he's relaxing, sitting down here in set number 3. Solid 6-point lead in the middle part of set number 3. That's 2 touches?
That's 2 touches called on Giselle.
Giselle C, Rarely has Giselle C been called that violation. She has really matured as a good setter here in the UAAP. Maricar Kai Nepomuceno. There's a whistle on the play.
Again, positional errors for the Bulldogs. And alam mo kasi yung ating second referee, talagang yan ang binabantayan eh. That's why he stays on the side of the receiver during services, no? Dahil binabantayan niya yung positioning nung kabila. And, of course, Lumer Pajarillo, among the best really, together with our first referee Philip Season.
2 errors back-to-back for NU, and they put themselves in a hole again. The Coach Vicente calls a timeout. We'll listen to NU.
Starting position. Hindi nyo alam? Wala sa focus yung utak nyo sa laro eh. Ilang beses na yan, oh. Per set, meron. Second set, meron. Ngayon, third set, meron na naman. What? Tignan niyo yung camera, nakatutok sa akin, oh. Tinitingnan yung galit ko. Receive tayo, receive. Hindi pa tapos. Ano na, nahihiya ka? Yan yung.
There's an example of the rotational error of National University. Can you break it down for us, Doc?
Well, Salibad was right over the middle attacker, itong si Aganon. So dapat i-maintain mo yung that's called lateral distance from the point of reference, which are the front row attackers. So lumampas siya, or nasakop niya yung space. Wala talaga siya sa position.
Coach Vicente still very, a good sport. He finds the humor despite the struggle ng National University, trying to cheer up the girls and give them advice at the same time, because obviously it's a lack of focus now on their part. Every set tawagan ka ng error about your position prior to the serve. Good block by Byron on Eulalia that time. It's still definitely a manageable deficit if you're National University. They're within 5 here. 14 serving 19. Mary Grace Diesta serving.
3 points for the ladies.
Wow, these errors will really hurt NU. Because I was about to say, talagang malayo pa to eh. 19 pa lang kanina, no? And it's just a 5-point lead. But giving away those 3 points to FEU would make it an earlier afternoon for all of us.
Harita Tutanes serving. Buti na lang nabawi ng NU with that service error by the young Tutanes.
He's gonna hear it later in the locker room. Brought in to serve it out.
Nina Agano serving.
That actually negates your position as a service specialist if you can actually serve.
Exactly.
A soft touch coming from Basas. Here comes Byron. Firing one in against Giselle C.
Finally getting one through the defense of Giselle C. and Rojas. Ayun, sa gitna pinadaan. Malaking gap in between the block.
And ito, malapit-lapit na ang Lady Bulldogs. 16 serving 20. Good serve by Carmina Aganon. Basas. Rejected. Ooh. Free ball. NU. Dadang with the left hand. Here's a set by Agno the libero. Byron. Ooh, that's too strong, but there was a touch. And
Rojas again with a touch. Good call by the referees.
And a lucky break on the part of NU because they need each and every point they can get here. They're down by 3 now. 17-20. Let's check in with FEU.
Nakatayo ka lang dun. Pag-receive, atras na mabilis. Atake tayo. Receive nyo para maka-atake naman dyan. Humingi ka ng bola, May. Humingi ng bola. Receive mo na, receive. Kailangan maka-receive yun. Huwag mo na paraan yan. Awan na iba lang pa, hindi nga naman paraanan. Jay! Paraanan mo yan, iba lang.
Coach Nes Mamilar. And to his left, former UST head coach Shaq De Los Santos.
That's right. Well, Coach Nes trying to challenge the young players that he has on the floor right now. Hindi ito yung mga regular starters na, no? In fact, they just came in this set. Pero pinagbibigyan niya. You know, pinapaubay niya sa kanila itong to finish off this third set. And he knows that this will be put into good use when the need arises in future matches.
Oh, nice job by Byron at the net. NU on the attack. Ooh, that's going to be 4 touches on NU. That pulse. A mini run.
To the owner of Mitsubishi Galant.
Sayang to for Byron because there was only Giselle C to contend with. She had a huge opening cross-court, no? Luwag yung cross-court.
And bahagya na lumampas yung kamay ni Giselle.
Konti lang inilabas yung kamay ni Giselle.
So she had really a golden opportunity to go anywhere she wanted. Maritoni Basas, 21 serving 17, a 4-point FEU lead. Nepomuceno from the back row, that's out.
That goes out. 22.
She's clearly not 100%. She normally gets that ball in, even from the back row.
Maritoni Basas serving for FEU.
Nice serve from Basas.
Byron. C tipping it over.
C attacks and
Wow.
scores.
Seems like this is the beginning of the end for National University
17.
with FEU now 2 points away from closing out this match and enjoying a 6-point lead, 23-17.
Steady server. Itong si Basas.
Perez with a gentle
A tip in there by Ivy Perez, the reserve setter of National University.
Lucy Byron serving.
Maybe a case of too little, too late at this time for NU, but you can really never take a team out unless we get the final buzzer in. Vargas.
Vargas through the
Match
block.
point. FEU
now at match point
24-18.
advantage.
Maybe Vargas is a designated finisher. Wag dumating ang score ng 23, 24, 25.
Ikaw na.
Si Vargas lang bibigay.
1 out, 5.
She knows what to do.
In.
And she's proven that in the first 2 sets.
Two sets, ano?
Siya tumapos talaga nung set. Now they're at match
LC
point.
for the serve.
Kaya Nepomuceno with the left hand tipping it over. That was too close to the net. Oh, and Vargas.
Vargas.
Tama nga sinabi mo doon.
Sa kanya na naman.
Designated finisher. Pero that time around, ang puntos na i-award sa NU. But she made that try.
Ivy Perez.
Nadikit ng husto sa net yung
net,
bola, pati yung katawan niya tumingin sa net.
2 match points saved by National University. There's still 5 that they have to fight off. Vargas again! Vargas gets it!
Corner. FEU takes this match.
She is the designated
25.
hit woman today, Rosemary Vargas, and she has delivered 3 out of 3 times.
Yes, that's right. The final points of each and every set delivered by Vargas and Eric. Itong FEU now ties UST.
That's right.
That's 4th spot. Yung
4 and 3, ano?
Very important number yung 4 na yan.
So, the divide has gotten bigger sa gitna ng ating standings as FEU goes up to 4 and 3, winning 3 straight sets against National University, 25-23, 25-17, and 25-19. We'll be back to wrap this up right after these.